In this video, I'm going to show you 5 creative ways to make more money with your short-term rental. Stick around because number 5 is going to blow your mind. Let's start with the easiest one, which is to use Airbnb's new promotions feature. But you can't just use it the way that normal people do. There's a secret way to use it that'll make you way more money. First, find some upcoming days in your calendar that haven't been booked. Next, look at the prices that Airbnb is suggesting for those dates and compare that to the prices that you set. If your price is lower than what Airbnb recommends, apply a promotion. Using promotions this way will get you all the benefits with none of the downsides. This means you'll get perks like strike-through pricing, a listing callout, and extra promotion for your listing completely free. This only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do, and it'll easily make you a few $100s extra every single month. Tip number 2 is to collect guest email addresses. In a few seconds, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do with the emails, but first, you got to know how to collect them. The best tool I've found for this is StayFi. StayFi hooks up to your existing Wi-Fi and takes guests to a splash page when they try to connect. So instead of inputting a password to connect to the internet, guests will input their email address. This is the exact same strategy that hotels, airports, and coffee shops use, and it works. You'll start collecting a whole bunch of email addresses, and that's where the magic happens. You can schedule emails to send out to guests every single month, asking them to rebook. By the way, you can set this up one time in about 2 hours and then completely forget about it. Over time, this can get you as much as 20 to 30% more bookings every single month. The best part is you already know that these people are really great guests. If you do those 2 things, you could easily be making a few $1,000s extra every month. By the way, if you're liking these tips so far, do me a favor and hit the like button. These next 3 tips are even better though. And the last one takes even less time and will make you even more money. For tip number 3, you'll want to set up a direct booking website. Now there's a really specific way you need to do this so that you don't run into problems. If you use the channel management software, you can set up a website in only a few clicks. Once it's set up, guests can book with you directly without going through a platform like Airbnb or Booking.com. Make sure that to start with, you only take direct bookings from your past guests. This will be easy to do now that you've got their emails. Just send them to your website instead of sending them to Airbnb. This way, you don't need to worry about getting bad guests, which can be a big concern with direct bookings. Here's a pro tip. If you want more peace of mind, use a tool like Superhog to get insurance coverage on your direct bookings. And by the way, if you want special discounts on the tools that I've mentioned so far in the video, then check out B&B Tribe. Inside B&B Tribe, you'll have access to step-by-step training on how to set all of this stuff up. Plus, you'll get special discounts with over 30 vendors in the Airbnb space. You'll also join a supportive community of fellow hosts who will help you to succeed and have more fun on Airbnb. If you want to check it out and join, there'll be a link at the top of the description. Now, I'm super excited to tell you about the 5th tip because it's so easy to set up and it gets amazing results. So make sure you stick around till the very end. My second last tip is simple but highly effective. Switch your photos out with every change in season. For real, this is such an easy thing to do, but so few hosts actually take the time to do it. If you've got a property that's in a seasonal market, take 15 minutes every few months and swap out some of your photos. In the winter, show photos of the property with snow. In the summer, show photos where the sun's out and shining and the bonfire is lit in the backyard. Make sure you highlight all of the fun things that guests will actually be able to do while they're there. That way, guests know that they won't be bored if they come stay at your listing. You'll get more listing views, more bookings, and you'll make more money. And it'll take you less than an hour per year. Next, as promised, my last tip is insanely powerful, but only if you use the right tools to do it. My final tip is to start offering upsells to all of your guests. This could be as simple as an early check-in or an extra day. It could also be something more creative, like an in-room massage or a private chef. Now, doing this stuff the old way is super time-consuming, really complicated, and just not worth it overall. But what if I told you that you could offer these upsells to every single one of your guests from now on in just 15 minutes? And no, I don't mean 15 minutes per guest. I mean 15 minutes one time. ever. I recently came across an insane AI tool called Bestie AI. It takes about 15 minutes to set it up, and it's hands down one of the greatest tools ever created for Airbnb hosts. Its main purpose is for AI guest communication, but that's a whole other topic for another video. If you want to see a detailed video about that, then like this video and let me know down in the comments. But the other cool thing that Bestie can do is personally message every one of your guests and offer them upsells like early check-ins and extra nights. The AI will actually look at your calendar, see what days are available, check the prices, and then send a custom offer over to your guests. You can even set it up to offer special discounts depending on the situation. It's crazy cool. You can also combine it with other tools like the Host Co to offer upsells like flowers, massages, or private chefs. Again, if you want special discounts on all of the tools that I mentioned in this video, then check out B&B Tribe. It's $49 a month, and you'll instantly get over $2,000 in discounts on awesome Airbnb tools. Plus, we'll show you how to make more money on Airbnb and still have a ton of fun. And you'll also join our amazing community of other hosts who will help you to succeed and have more fun on Airbnb. Like I said before, the link to check it out will be at the top of the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.